Removing paint scuffs from your car is a simple way to keep it looking clean and shiny. Scuffs can happen from minor bumps, brushes with objects, or other cars. There are simple methods to remove paint scuffs from your car. Alcohol helps remove paint scuffs from your car by cleaning the surface and lifting stubborn marks effectively. To remove paint scuffs from your car, first pour a small amount of rubbing alcohol onto a microfiber cloth. Then gently wipe the affected area with the microfiber cloth, using light and even pressure to carefully lift the paint scuffs without damaging the car's surface. Continue rubbing lightly in small circular motions until the paint scuffs are completely removed and the surface looks clean and smooth again. After cleaning with alcohol, you can see the paint scuffs on your car are completely removed. All-purpose cleaner helps remove paint scuffs from your car by breaking down dirt and grime for easier cleaning. To remove paint scuffs on your car, first sprinkle all-purpose cleaner onto the scuffed area gently. Then wipe the scuff marks gently with a paper towel, applying light pressure to lift the paint without damaging the surface. Next, spray WD-40 directly onto the scuff mark to loosen stubborn paint residue. Then gently scrub the scuff mark with a magic eraser, using light pressure to avoid damaging the car's paint. After using the magic eraser, wipe the area thoroughly with a paper towel to remove residue and moisture. If needed, sprinkle WD-40 onto the paint again, and gently scrub with a magic eraser to remove any remaining scuff marks. Next, sprinkle all-purpose cleaner onto the car paint again to remove any remaining scuff marks effectively. Then, wipe the area again with a paper towel to remove all cleaner residue and leave the surface spotless. Next, pour the liquid paste wax onto a clean sponge, spreading it evenly across the car's surface. Gently rub the wax in circular motions to protect the paint and restore a shiny finish. Then, gently scrub the wax surface using buffer to achieve a smooth, polished shine. After cleaning, you can see that the scuff marks have been completely removed from the car. Heavy-duty polish helps remove paint scuffs from your car by smoothing the surface and restoring the paint's shine. To remove paint scuffs on your car, first spray showroom shine directly onto the scuff mark carefully. Then, gently use a clay bar to wipe the scuff mark, gliding it smoothly across the car's surface to lift contaminants. Next, apply paint polishing compound onto the buffer to remove remaining scuff marks and restore the car's shine. Scrub the car gently with the buffer, moving it evenly over the scuff marks to lift them. Continue buffing carefully until the paint scuffs are fully removed and the surface looks smooth and polished. Then, wipe the car thoroughly with a microfiber cloth to remove any residue and reveal a clean, polished surface. After cleaning, you can see that the scuffs on your car's paint are removed, and it looks clean. So, by applying these effective methods and products, you can easily remove paint scuffs from your car.